Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Promise. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to do my eyebrows and how to do eyebrows. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Welcome to the family. See you in the video. Hi guys, as you can see, the title of this video will be doing eyebrows. So today for this video I'll be using a brown eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows. We need to fill that baby in because we don't have no eyebrows. Yeah, I'm going to shut up for you to watch and see how I fill my eyebrows in. After I finish filling in my eyebrows, I'll take my eyeshadow brush that I make as my eyebrows brush and blend my eyebrows for it to be a little bit light. After using a brush, I'll take my clear eyebrow gel and brush my eyebrows up. And I get this eyebrow gel from Anastasia Beauties, something like that on the website. But I'll put it the link in my description box for you to go check it out. After using the clear eyebrow gel, I'm going to be using my concealer. For your eyebrows, if you're using a concealer, you have to match with your skin tone because sometimes you're not trying to do makeup, you just doing your eyebrows to go out. So mostly you have to match with your skin tone. And if you're putting a concealer on, you have to start from the bottom and then go on top. I'm using a concealer for my eyebrows. I'm going to take a different brush for me to blend the concealer in. After I finish blending the concealer in, I'm going to take a smaller brush and dip my brush in the concealer foundation and just put a line on my eyebrows because I want to cut on my eyebrows and I love it. So it depends if you want it or not. You don't have to put a line or a cut or something in your eyebrows, but that's my style. That's what I like. So that's what I go for. That's how I do my eyebrows. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Bye. Peace out. Beginning to look like Christmas.